Hi Jim, yeah, you want to do this in two phases. One, you're going to basically detach the nav bar from the library file. Okay, so let's just go to the code view, and we're going to start up here, and we're going to go to the header, and we're going to look for the menu bar. Google search. I think the menu bar is probably. We'll find out what line it's on here. Custom components. Menu top right here. See the menu top right here? Begin library item. What I want you to do is grab this comment tag right here where it says begin library item menu top LBI, delete it, then scroll all the way down and look for the ending library tag, right, which is right above. See where the header is? Then there's a div, that library tag right there, get rid of it. Okay, so now you can basically do whatever you want in this menu, and hopefully you've probably yanked out some of the code. So what I would probably suggest you do at this point, and this is what I would actually do, is this nav class here, right? Actually, the menu top, select the div menu top like so, right, and cut it. Just do a Control X on your keyboard, cut it out. We're going to paste it back in a second, but before we do, let's just do a new page, create a new blank page, right, pop the code in here, flip it over to design view, and then get rid of all the junk in here. Okay, so let's go with getting rid of the UL tag right there. See what I mean? Get rid of all the stuff that you're not going to be using. What I suggest you do is just get rid of everything except for the very top link up here. Okay, and then just hit the section and section and section and section, because you want to link to sections lower in your page, right? So whatever you're going to call those, keep them short and sweet. Just start this off right here. Okay, and then name each section, and then for your hyperlink, what you're going to do is, I'm going to show my properties here. See the link down here? You're going to do a pound sign and then the name of the section. So if it's section 1, just do pound section 1, right, and enter. And then this one here, do a pound sign section 2. Okay, so what you're doing is you're creating anchor links. Okay, this guy here. Right, of course you're not going to be calling section 1, 2, and 3. You're going to call them whatever makes sense. Right, and when you're done, then go back to your code, and now what you can do is where it says this nav class div menu top here. Now grab that entire thing like so, cut it, go back to your index page where your cursor's still blinking, paste it in, okay, then save. Now what you need to do is just go down into the lower in the page wherever you want it to link to in your page. Say for example you want the first button to link to the very first section right here. Okay, what you need to do is just insert an anchor. Okay, and you can go insert named anchor right here. So boom, and the anchor name would be the section 1. Okay, like that. And where did it go? Actually, that was a bad example. Don't use section 1 because I'm already using that in the page. So anyways, put your named anchor wherever you want that to go in your page. Okay, and then it'll put basically it's just a link, right? It's just an href, and then it would be, it wouldn't be the pound sign, it'd just be section, sorry, it's not aref, it's aid equals, be section 1. That's what it should look like, something like that. Anyways, you get the idea. So instead of an href, it's an ID, and it'll be this the name of the section, and it's wherever you want it to go in the page. You just have to put it in code view, that's all.